Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you how to take off the quantity of plaster and brick in a wall and what are the different types of rules that are to be followed for the detection of the openings. Before we rush into solving this problem, pay attention and observe the figure carefully. Here, a wall of 25-meter long and height of 4.5 meter and the thickness of 45 centimeter is given, and this 15 centimeter is called patta. This wall is having some of the openings as you can see here, where D means door, W means window, and V means ventilator. You can see the dimension of the openings here in this table. Here, this door is having 3 meter wide and 2.1 meter height, where this door is having 1.2 meter wide and 2.1 meter height, and this window 1 is having 2.1 meter wide and 1.2 meter height. Similarly, W2 having zero point 0.9 wide, 1.2 height. Ventilator 1 having the breadth of 2.1 meter and the height of 0.45, and ventilator 2 is having 0.9 breadth and 0.45 meter height. Calculation of plaster and brickwork is not much difficult, but you should know the rules of deduction of openings. Let's see what are the rules to be followed for the deduction of the openings. See here, if the opening area is less than 0.5 meter square, then we do not have to deduct any opening. Okay, if the area is 0.5 meter square to 3 meter square, then we have to deduct the one face. If the opening area is greater than 3 meter square, we have to deduct two faces, but we have to add sides and top and bottom area. We need to deduct two faces. We are deducting two faces but adding two sides plus upper side, because we do plaster on both sides and upper side. Now you might be thinking that why we are not adding bottom side also. We are not adding bottom side because when you provide the floor finish, you don't need to provide the plaster. But in case of window, we have to add the bottom side also. So you can see here, we have to deduct two faces and add two sides plus upper side plus bottom side. Let's calculate the deduction for the opening step by step. First of all, I am calculating for the area which is greater than 3 meter square. We are having only one door, I think. You can see here 6.3. We are having only one door which is greater than 3 meter square. So we have to deduct it, and plus what we have to do, because of it is door, we have to add two sides plus top side. That's what I did here. I have deducted two faces, 2 into 6.3 plus added two sides. Door is having 2.1 meter height. The thickness of the wall is 0.45. So I have added two sides plus top side, that is 3 meter width, and the thickness of the wall is 0.4. So if you multiply these values, then you will get it as minus 12.6 plus 1.89 plus 1.39, which is equals to 9.36. Here, this negative sign indicates the deduction. Okay, now we will calculate for the opening, which is having the area of 0.5 meter square to 3 meter square. Let's see the table so that it will be very clear to you how many openings are having less than 3 meter and greater than 0.5 meter. You can see here D2, W1, W2, V1. These four having greater than 0.5 meter square and less than 3 meter square. So for the area of 0.5 meter square to 3 meter square, we have to deduct only one face. So for D2, I have deducted one face, which is height into breadth equals to 2.52. For the same thing, height into width, which is equals to 2.52. Here I have multiplied with 2 because we are having two windows which having the same dimension, that is W2. So breadth into height into 2, which gives the value of 2.16. And similarly for the ventilator 1, add these four values, you will get it as 8.145 meter square. Now let's see how many openings having the dimension of less than 0.5. V2, which having the breadth of 0.9 and the height of 0.45. If you multiply these two values, you will get it as 0.405 meter square, which is less than 0.5 meter square. So we don't need to deduct it because you can see here for the opening area which is having the area of less than 0.5 meter square, deduction is 0. Okay, now let's sum up the total deduction, which is 8.145 plus 9.36. So add these two values, 9.36 plus 8.145. Then you will get it as 17.505. Now let's calculate the area to be plastered without deduction. After calculating this, we will subtract the deduction area so that we will get the exact area to be plastered. We need to plaster on front side and the back side plus two sides of the wall plus on the top. So that's what I wrote here. The width of the wall is 25 meter and the height of the wall is 4.5. This is for front and back, and this is for sides, that is thickness is 45 centimeter and 4.5 is height. This is the extra plaster for the patta. You can see here in this area we need to plaster in two layers because it acts as coping. Okay, second layer we need to add this, that is 25 into 0.15 plus top of the wall 25 into 0.45. Add all this value, you will get it as 247.8 meter square. Now let's calculate the required plaster. Subtract the deduction from the plaster without deduction, which is 247.8 minus 17.505, which is equals to 230.295 meter square, approximately 230.3 meter square. So now calculate the area of the brick masonry. Area of the brick masonry equals to total area of the wall minus area of the opening. Total area of the wall, that is 25 into 4.5, which is equals to 112.5 minus the area of the openings, means deduct all the openings in plaster. What we did is for the opening which is having greater than 3 meter square, we deducted two faces and added some sides, upper sides. But in brickwork we do not have to do that. We have to deduct all the openings from the wall. So I have deducted all the openings here, which is equals to 15.255. Subtract this value from the 112.5, we'll get it as 97.245, which is approximately equals to 97.3 meter square. Now we know the area of the brick masonry. The volume of the brick masonry can be obtained from the multiplying thickness of the wall into area, which is equals to 43.785 meter square. Now we know the area of the brick masonry, which is equals to 97.3 meter square. Volume of the brick masonry can be obtained by multiplying this 97.3 meter square with thickness of the wall. 97.3 into 0.45, which is equals to 43.78
meter cube.
Since we know that we need 500 number of bricks for 43.785, how much bricks we need? Just multiply this 500 with 47.785, you will get the exact amount of brick is to be required. Whatever the quantity of the bricks that we have got here is without wastage. In fields there will be some wastage. If you want to consider those wastages, you can consider it from 10% to 15%. So if you consider the wastage as 15%, then the 15 percentage value will be 3284. The total number of brick is to be required 25,177 numbers. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more technical updates. Thank you.